Welcome to this presentation on getting support from the U.S. National Science Foundation Access Program. My name is Joel Adams. Let's see how you can get help when you need it for your research project. When you need help on your project, the Access Support page is the place to go. To access it, go to access-ci.org and click Support. This page provides a variety of ways to get help for your project. Let's explore the Access Support page. Starting from the Access landing page, clicking Support takes us to the Access Support page. Depending on what you need, this page provides a slew of ways you can get help. Beneath the quick links, Community, Knowledge Base, Match Services, Office Hours, or Tools menus. There are too many to cover in this presentation, so we will just highlight a few of the available options. At the bottom right is an Ask Me About Access button. Clicking it pops up an Access Q&A pane, which provides a chatbot interface to the Access knowledge base. To ask it a question, click the Ask a Question button, and then enter the question. For example, if my research area is AI, I might want to know what Access resources are best for running Jupyter Notebooks. If I enter that question, the chatbot will give me its recommendations. So in this case, it's recommending the Anvil Notebook service. If I close that pane, the Quick Links menu provides easy access to some of the most frequently used support options, including the Access Resource Advisor, the Software Documentation Service, Search Access, and open a help ticket. You can also view pre-existing help tickets if you've opened them in the past. Previously in this playlist, we've seen that the Access Resource Advisor lets you fill out a form, hit send, and get a list of resource recommendations. Likewise, the Software Documentation Service lets you search for specific software apps to find the resources where they are installed. The Video Learning Center has presentations for the ARA and SDS. So aside from peeking at each of them, we'll not cover them here. Under the Community menu, the Affinity Groups option takes you to a list of communal user groups based on specific Access resources, users' research areas, tools, and other topics. Joining such groups is a way to kind of find your tribe of people who share your interests. Under the Knowledge Base menu, the Ask CI forum provides a venue for getting answers to your research-related questions. The Resources option provides a searchable list of all the knowledge resources available via Access. The Video Learning Center provides links to the Access YouTube channel, as well as other videos, including this playlist. If you need expert help starting your research project on Access, Match Services can connect you with a consultant who will work with you one-on-one to help you get your project up and running. If you just need some quick targeted help, the Office Hours menu provides times when you can virtually drop in for help on the Access or NAIR projects, help using the Open On Demand web interface, or help using the Pegasus workflow management system. Several RPs also offer regular office hours. The Tools menu offers links to the ARA and SDS. It also offers links to Open On Demand, Pegasus, the various science gateways for specific science domains, the Globus system for transferring large data files, and a tool for analyzing resource usage called XDMod. XDMod is different from the things we've seen before, so let's look at it. We start by choosing XDMod, and then click the Launch XDMod button. If you are logged into Access, XDMod provides information about your allocation and resource usage. Otherwise, it defaults to presenting charts that provide summary statistics about the usage of the Access resources. If we click the Usage tab, we see a duration label. By default, it's set to the previous month, but we can change that to whatever period of time interests us, such as the previous quarter. Below that, we see a pane on the left where we can select the specific data in which we are interested in. The chart on the right provides a visualization of whatever data is selected. CPU hours total is the default. If we close the Jobs Summary heading, scroll down, we see a variety of other job-related headings, cloud-related headings, account-related headings, and so on. There's lots of different things under this, and each has many, many options. To illustrate, suppose we're trying to decide between resources at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications and the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center. To compare how busy they are, we might open the Jobs by Resource heading, scroll down, and choose Wait Hours per Job. The chart that appears provides a listing of the resources ordered by the average wait time. To compare NCSA and PSC, we can click the Quick Filters button, choose NCSA, and then repeat with PSC. The resulting chart provides data I can use to help decide between these two systems, depending on whether I'm using GPUs or CPUs. We can try different periods, see if that changes anything, and so on and so forth. If we return back to the support page and scroll down, there are lots of other features available. For example, Training and Events lists upcoming opportunities for either training or professional development, web workshops, webinars, office hours sessions, sponsored by specific RPs. If we continue scrolling down, we'll see there's lots of other features. At the very bottom of the page provides a convenient listing of all the Access support options. If you have a question or problem that none of the other support features addresses, a final option is the Open a Help ticket. It's both here at the bottom, and it's also more conveniently located up here at the top of the page. Open a Help ticket is available several places on this and other pages throughout the Access site. Clicking on any of these takes you to an Open a Ticket form, which you can fill out with your question. The more details you provide, the faster your ticket will reach those who can help you, and the faster your response. That same form also lets you view the status of any tickets you have submitted that are currently open. As you can see, the Access support page offers lots of ways to get help. Now that we've seen some of them, let's return to our presentation, after which you can continue to explore the support page on your own. To summarize what we've learned today, when you have a question, the Access support page is a place to start. It offers many ways to get help for your project, including the Q&A AI chatbot, the affinity groups, the Ask CI forum, and office hours. For sustained expert help, contact Match Services. The support page also offers training and professional development opportunities, including RP-sponsored workshops, webinars, and the videos in the Video Learning Center. To get information about your allocation and/or the various Access resources, XDMod has a wealth of information. If you have an issue that none of these resolves, submit a help ticket and provide detailed information about your problem. For detailed looks at the Access Resource Advisor and/or the Software Documentation Service, please see their videos in the Video Learning Center. In the next presentation, we'll see how to acknowledge the Access project when you publish your research. Thank you for watching this Access presentation.